Hi, it's Justin with MarineMax in Charleston. I'm aboard a brand new 2025 Saxdor 320 GTO, and I want to show you some of the features this boat has to offer. Starting in the transom, twin V8 300 Mercury joystick Verado engines. Very easy to dock. I'll show you when we get to the helm. It's got the joystick feature. It's a breeze to operate this boat. Well, it's something that you'll notice is we have two transom walkthroughs, getting easy access into the boat. Let's take a look at this nice feature here. We got 2 rows of forward-facing seats where you can fit 2, 3, maybe even 4 adults, all facing forward when you're cruising. I'm gonna go ahead and show you some of this unique design and engineering feats that Saxdor has accomplished to maximize the space back here. Right now I flipped the seats. We have a posing conversation area with a nice large dining, entertaining table. Now we got this turned into a nice beautiful daybed feature. Look at the space that you got here. Hanging out at the sandbar, going for a cruise. People can lounge, look at the water, have the side decks that both fold down, and a real inviting environment here on the aft of the boat. Now that we transition this seat back on the tracks, we have plenty of walk space in front of the galley here. One thing you'll notice, nice concealed under a glass top, hand basin, and a dual burner cooktop. Something to also point out, which makes this really user friendly, we have a refrigerator on both the port and the starboard side, so you can keep your sandwiches, your drinks cold, and get right there and not have to walk all the way down to the cabin. Everything is accessible right here in the midship galley. This is how you control and access the 2 fold-down swim patio decks that come standard on the Saxdor 320 GTO. We put the button, we hold this here, and these decks will actuate out electrically on both sides, increasing your square footage space while you're at anchor or at the sandbar. Maximize your enjoyment. You also have a nice freshwater shower here. Rinse off when you come right out of the water on your deck. And then notice the JL audio speaker upgrade. Boat has a really nice sound system. And here at the helm on the Saxdor 320 GTO, 3 very comfortable sports seats at the helm. Driver's positioned right in the center. You got these flip-up bolsters, so if you like to sit and cruise behind the windshield, you got that option. A lot of people like to stand up. And notice we have a recessed floor, so you have plenty of headroom. Something to take a look at here, we got twin Simrad 12-inch screens, inductive phone charger. Like I said, on the aft of the boat, we have joystick piloting. This makes it extremely easy to dock the boat, and also is a built-in autopilot. Boat not only has joystick for ease of docking, it also comes with a bow thruster. Sitting here in the cabin of the Saxdor 320 GTO, we got a lot of space. Double berth, electric flush toilet with a partitioning door, just to save on space. When you're using the toilet, you can partition the door off and get some privacy. But it does take into the space, so they engineered it and designed it to fold back, so now you have a big open flow. Thing that I want to mention on this boat, it does have a generator replacement system with lithium-ion battery packs. So you have no generator on board, you have air conditioning, you have a cooktop, and that all run off the lithium-ion battery packs, which gets charged while the engines are running, and also, of course, while you plug into shore power. Let's head up to the bow, show you this really nice, comfortable area. We got a dual lounge seat here, perfect place to take a cruise, great views. Here on the bow, we got a catapult anchor windlass system, very easy to drop anchor on this boat. Thanks for joining me on this walkthrough tour of this 2025 Saxdor 320 GTO. I appreciate your time. If you have any questions, click the link or reach out to us at MarineMax Charleston.